Okay, moving ahead, in step 2, we'll create our entities. So I'll create the entities here into this entity package. So I'll just create a new Java class, and I'll create a new Java class for customer. I'll set up my JPA annotations here for entity, reference the table name customer. And I'll also make use of Lombok annotations getter and setter for Lombok to generate the appropriate getter and setter methods for me. For this customer class, we need to create 4 fields: ID, first name, last name, and email. And then next I need to go through and actually add my JPA annotations to map these fields to database columns. And I'll just copy paste the at column X number of times and update the names accordingly. And in fact, if you've played around with Hibernate or JPA for a while, you know that the at column annotation is optional. If you don't give a reference, it'll simply use the name of the field for mapping. So I could really do this without the at column annotation, but I like to do this just to be explicit. Also, in the event that the database schema changes, I can easily make the change here without having to have any major changes anywhere else. Alrighty, so that's customer. Let's go ahead and create a new class for address. And so we'll do a similar approach here. So I'll just kind of copy some of the information from my previous customer class. And I'll put that into the address. And be sure to update the at table annotation to point to address. Alrighty, so then I'll go through and define the fields here for the address. And I'll hold off on setting up reference to order. We'll get into that in a bit. Right now, just cover the basic fields for right now. I'll move over to customer. I'll copy the ID generation stuff. And then I'll make the appropriate updates here for column. Alrighty, so that coding looks pretty good. Good job.